Very good morning. Good morning, all of you. So happy to see you. Yes, we'll start. I'll just share the YouTube link and then we'll start. Okay. Yes, Jayesh, Pratham and all are on time. Hello. Pradeep, can you just share the YouTube link to E and F? Okay. Yeah. I shared to you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, those who are on YouTube as well as online here. We will start. Okay. I'll share with you the questions. Just hold 1 second. Students, I have forwarded the PDF. That is only questions for which we are discussing right now, unit wise. Okay, because for your reference, the question in case, because we are here hurry to change the screen, right? Therefore, the questions are there. You can go through it. There are few questions which I included from different units that I have shared with you. Now, in case time permits, then we will do something else also. Just wait. Yesterday's class, which I discussed with you, the paper pattern and everything now, and already started with the revision of the unit number 3. Unit number 3, now one more question I will do it for you, that is standard deviation. That is also quite important question. Whenever we were doing in the class, I was telling you to standard deviation, you want to learn for discrete as well as the continuous data. Okay. Can we start now? Therefore, take out your notebook, pen, and calculator. It's very important. Calculator, please practice with the calculator. The simple calculator, non-programmable calculator is allowed. Okay. Not scientific calculator. It is only simple calculator. The calculator, which is, I don't know if you can see this type of calculator. Voice nahi aa raha hai. Saiba, just check it from your side. What about my voice? Is it audible? It's clear. Okay. Just check it from your end. Yes. It is clear. Okay. Screen also visible, right? Can I start now? The question is on the screen. Please write the question first. Find the standard deviation and the coefficient of variance. Just leave it, and variance. Just write. Find the standard deviation and the variance from the following frequency distribution. All of you write. Write the question. Yeah. Okay. See, we are going to find what is the standard here. Now see here. Here I give you the question. This is for you. The discrete data. Discrete data means only X and F values are going to be there. X value is the observation. F means number of observation. Okay. Therefore, this is a discrete data. We are going to find what is standard deviation. Okay. Now here, what you are going to do? First step. Step number 1. What is that? You are going to construct a table. Okay. Table. When I took it for you for, yeah, that is in the class. Okay, leave it. When I means the table which consists of 5 columns. Therefore, always in statistics, in that column, first 2 columns are going to be the question information. Here, what is the question? The question, it is X. Okay, therefore you are going to write X, column 1, and column 2, that is frequency. Okay, now all of you fill it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now frequency, that is 20, 30, 10, 20, 10. Now listen, in examination sometimes they will give you the information like this way. That means they'll tell you marks. Okay, first column. Second column, number of students. Now for answer, what you are going to do? This marks you are going to mark it as X, and this number of students you are going to mark it as F. Sometimes directly X and F frequency they will provide you. Otherwise, they will write you like marks, number of students, weight of the students. Okay. Therefore, you will convert the columns like X, F, and then continuing. Therefore, that will tell you what to do. Therefore, X, F from the question we have already completed. Now, next column, it is X square. What is that? X square. Next column, that is X, that is here F into X. Last column, F into X square. Therefore, the column table, 5 columns, X, F, X square, F into X, and F into X square. Now we are going to complete that one. Before that, we will just complete here with the line completed down part. Okay. Now we are going to do X square. See here, I give you very small questions, small numbers actually, because we need to finish it fast, more questions. But this is the same way you are going to do it in the examination. Suppose the question is to find the standard deviation from the following distribution. Step number 1, construct the table with 5 columns. What are the columns? X and F, exactly from the question. Then 3 extra column, X square, Fx, and Fx square. Now we are going to complete that column. See, X square. X square means here first is 1. 1 square. 1 raised to 2. What is the meaning? 1 into 1. You know that its answer is 1. Here 2 square. 2 square. That means 2 into 2. You are finding that one. That is 4, 9. 4 into 4. That is 16. Here it is 25. Okay. Prema, it is, sound is not coming. What about YouTube? Is it clear? Students, please respond to me. Is it my voice is audible? It is clear. Those who are not having, please check it your network connection. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Now next is F into X. F into X. What is the thing? F X. What is the meaning? f multiplied with x. That means here these two columns, x and f, you are going to multiply. Okay. Therefore, first it is 1 into 20. Correct. This is 1 into 20. That is here it is going to be 20. 2 into 30, like this way. 2 into 30. Where is 2 into 30? 2 into 30. Write properly. That is 60. 3 into 10. That is 30. Yes, it is clear. No. Okay. Continue. You are doing along with me, right? Yeah. 30. 4 into 20. That is equal to 80. Okay. And next is 5 into 10. That is 50. Therefore, you have completed the column, that is f into x. Please try to understand, that is f multiplied with x. Okay. Next column, what is that? F x square. Therefore, this column heading, you should remember it, because you just while learning think about that. Okay, standard deviation. Standard deviation में step number 1 ऐसे होता है. Table table के ऊपर what are the headings? X, f, x square, fx square. That much you want to remember. Then automatically you will do it. Okay. Fx square. What is fx square? X square तो है इधर column and f column. That means x square column and f column you are going to multiply. 1 into 20. Again it is coming 20. Okay. 30 into 4, that is equal to 120. 10 into 9, that is 90. 20 into 16, that is 320. 10 into 25, 250. Okay. That means we have completed the information inside the table. Now, what are the values you want to add? Okay. First, you want to add this column. This is sigma f. Add the f column. Add fx column. And add fx square column. How many columns you are going to add? 3 columns. F column, fx column, fx square column. All of you add it. By the time I'll wrap this all. Sigma f is 90, 20, 50, 60. Yes. Sigma f is 90. Okay. F is 90. Sigma fx, what is your answer? Sigma fx 240. Good. Sigma fx square is 800. All are getting? Okay. Now, tablet is clear. Sigma f is clear. Sigma fx is 240. Sigma fx square is 800. Whenever you are doing for the examination, this calculation, no addition, just do twice, because anyhow you have the calculator. Because in case if it is anything missing, 2 times there is no chance that simultaneously to make mistake. Okay, therefore always to make sure that this addition is right, because what happened, remaining calculation is completely depends upon these values. Therefore, if you make some mistake here, automatically the answer is going to be wrong. Okay, now this is finished. Now you are going to write standard deviation formula. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is represented by, see, normally standard deviation is represented by sigma. That is like sigma. If you're writing or not writing, it's okay, but better to write sigma. This is small sigma. You have learned that one is equal to root, a big root. Okay, root of sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus x bar the whole square. Therefore, this is your formula. What is the formula? Root is there always. Remember, the root is the entire root. Sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus x bar square. Now, please listen here. What is sigma fx square? That is there in your table. Sigma f, it is there in your table. But what is x bar? It is not directly given, correct? Table mein direct x bar nahi hai. But what is x bar? Therefore, next step after writing the formula, you will write what is x bar. X bar is nothing but it is an arithmetic mean. Okay. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? Yesterday I taught you. The arithmetic mean is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Do you remember? We calculated the arithmetic mean of discrete data. Yeah. Therefore, that is equal to, now see sigma fx, that is 240 divided by sigma f 90. Calculate all of you. Yes, Mansi, right. Correct. Those who are YouTube, I'm looking your answers, right? Just continue. 2.67. 2.67, all are getting the answer. That is equal to x bar is equal to, you are getting the answer 2.67. Always write in 2 after the decimal, minimum 2 digits. Okay, x bar. Now take out your sigma. Now we are going to substitute it. Sigma equal to, see, root. Root is last calculation. Therefore, inside the root, you will solve it and come to a number. Then we are going to find the root. Okay, that means here root I have written sigma f square, that is 800 divided by 90 minus bracket to have the 2.67. What is 2.61? X bar the whole square. Now what you are going to do it, listen, first calculate inside the root. A calculate करो, 800 divided by 90 calculate करो, then a bracket है ना, bracket के अंदर, that means 2.65 square. What is the meaning of 2.65 square? You want to 2.67 square. The meaning is that 2.67 multiplied with 2.67. Okay. Therefore, here I'm just going to write the root again and solving. Okay. How do you solve it? You are doing 800. Yes, 800 divided by 90. You are getting 8.8888. Okay, 4 digit to likho. That means 8.888, 3 digit and 888, right? Then I round up with 4 digit 9. Correct? How it is? Those who are 88888. Therefore, I'm just doing it for 4 digit. 4 digit means 4 digit के बाद 5th digit 8 है, 5 के ऊपर है. That means added one number, 8.889 आएगा. Therefore, write 888.9. Normally, we'll use it for 4 digit. Okay. Minus. Now 2.67 the whole square. Don't make it now 2 digit. Okay. After that 2.6, because 2.67 if you multiply you will get 4 digit no after. Therefore 7.1289. Yes. Therefore, here also, if you find the square, you will get 4 digit. That means here also you will write 4 digit. Here also write 4 digit. Now subtract. Inside the root, subtract. Yes, inside the root 1.76. Okay. Now what you're going to do, see in your calculator, there is one switch, small white color normally comes, root X. It's a heck. Okay, that is one button is there with root X is written. That is you are finding the root. Therefore, what you are going to do, press 1.76. पहले number press करो. पहले number press करो. Then a root ना, that button press करो. पहले number press करो 1.76. Then press it, that symbol with root. Press it. What your answer is coming? Yes, 1.323664. Correct? That means you can write 1.3266 because this is 4, you can neglect it. Are you getting? All are getting? Yes, right answer. Please don't scribble on the screen because then I have to always to clear then. Yes, clear? Therefore, only one question, that is for standard deviation, you are using this square root. Square root, how to do it? See, why I again and again pressing and telling, because in mobile phone you had the experience, means mobile phone it is different. Root you will press first, then number. But in the calculator, simple calculator, press the number, then press that button for root. Okay? Completed? Those who are on YouTube, finish. Okay. Yes. Now please listen. Listen all of you. That means you have standard deviation. Please listen here. What is your standard deviation? That is sigma. One second. One second. My pen is in issue. Yeah. See here. Standard deviation SD sigma is equal to 1.3266. This is your answer for standard deviation. But sometimes what happens, examination, they will ask you both standard deviation and variance. Okay, what is variance? It's a very easy that, see, variance means actually there is a relationship between standard deviation and variance. Variance is nothing but, that is here, see here, 1.36. See here, this root. How do you get it, this 1.3266? That means root of 1.76 is 1.3266. This is your last step, right? This is your last step. Okay. Now from this last step, what is coming inside the root? और root के अंदर कौन सा number है? That number is called as your variance. That means if you take root of variance, you always get it, that is your standard deviation. This is a relationship. Therefore, do it for standard deviation. Therefore, from the last step where you are doing this one, okay, then write again here root of 1.76 equal to 1.3266. Therefore, variance equal to 1.76. Is it clear? Yes. Those who are YouTube. Those who are scribbling on the screen, please delete yourself. Otherwise, I'll just remove you from the. Yes, fine. See, nothing but if you are going to write now. See, for example, another example. If I'll give you, suppose root 16. Root 16 मतलब answer क्या है? 4 है. That means this is your standard deviation, correct? And 16 is your variance. Therefore, root of variance is answer is standard deviation. Therefore, there is no calculation separately for variance. You solve it for standard deviation by using the formula. What is the step? Prepare the table. Okay, table with 5 columns, and complete the table with down 3 values: sigma f, sigma fx, sigma fx square. That is 3 values. Okay. After that, write what is the formula for your standard deviation. Then next line, you will calculate what is x bar. X bar is arithmetic mean using this formula. Then you got it, that x bar. Now substitute in this one sigma root of 800 divided by 90 minus this one. While solving it, last part you will get this root of one number is equal to this one. Therefore, inside the root, that is your variance, and after finding the root, that is your standard deviation. Therefore, this is 6 marks question. Clear? No, it is variance, not coefficient of variance. It is variance. Middle, my voice is cracking. I don't know what is the reason. It is getting that connection is stable and all. Okay, I'll just try to hold the mic. Okay. Completed. Not coefficient of variance. I just taught you the variance. Okay. Please change that question. Only standard deviation and variance. Clear? Okay. Now I'll just tell you. See. Problem is that the people are scribbling the screen for me. Okay. Now please listen. Listen to me. One more thing I'll just teach you for standard deviation. See, we did it here. Standard deviation for discrete data. Discrete data means, what is the meaning? That means you have only X value and F value. This is your discrete data. You know now formula what it is. Okay. Okay. But now please listen. Suppose standard deviation for continuous data. I'm not doing that one now, but I'll tell you how to do it. Okay. Continuous data. Okay. For that, what is the difference? In continuous data, question is given like class interval and frequency. X directly nahi dega. That means class interval means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this way, and F informations are like this way. Okay. Now, how to solve it for standard deviation for continuous data? The formula, everything is same, but only one difference will come. The table, once you are going to construct for 5 column, instead of 5 column, you will make 6 column. Okay. What are the 6 column? First column, it is class interval. I told you always the question, first 2 column, and F came. Okay. Then automatically here, what we need X. Then it will come your X square. Then it will come for your Fx, and last column is Fx square. So what is extra here? Actually, because of class interval, you have to find out what is X. Do you remember yesterday for continuous data, I taught you already how to find X from the class interval midpoint. That means you are writing here 10 to 20, the midpoint will come 15 and continue as it is. Same way, there is no difference. Where is the difference comes? For the table. For the discrete data, it is only 5 column, and for continuous data, it is 6 column. What is that extra column normally? We are going to create X column. The reason is that in the question, it is given in terms of interval, that is class interval. You have to find what is X. If X nahi to X square kaise find out karo? Therefore, automatically X to aana chahiye. Therefore, that is why 10 to 20, 20 to 30, you will find the midpoint. Okay, that means 10 to 20, X is what? 15. 20 to 30, what is the midpoint? It is going to come as 25. Then continue as it is. Therefore, all of you just practice the question for continuous data also. Clear? No, see, if I'll do it continuous data right now, it takes long time. We cannot cover all the things. Okay. Clear? But that is easy. Once if you learn now discrete data, go to the textbook and you can go, you will get it some sums. Okay. Otherwise, refer to our notebook. Notebook mein hai. A class I have done already. We'll see. I'll keep it pending, continuous data, this one. In case if you'll get time, we will do it. Okay. Not today, at least tomorrow, if it is possible. Clear? Now, can I move it? Now, I just want 2 things from you. What you want to, this, whatever, I don't remember exactly. I think we discussed 6 questions or something for unit 3. Now, please listen. Unit 3, we discussed 6 questions. Apart from that, please learn median. Median row data, I already told you that middle value means n is 7, n is 8, we did it. Okay. Therefore, median for discrete and continuous, please learn. Okay. And standard deviation also. Okay. Continuous data. Please practice it. In case if it is possible, we will do it this. Okay. Median. Clear with the formula? I'll just tell you. Clear? Now I'm going to the next unit. Okay. Therefore, practice the same question. Don't think that the same question means like the same number sign thing is going to come for the examination. It can be the numbers, everything is, the informations are different, but method of solving is same. When they ask you the standard deviation question, I taught you that how to do it. Now we revise it. You are don't worry about, might be you don't remember, but in the time of examination you will remember it, because class also you have done. Again we are doing the revision, many times you practice it, therefore automatically it will come. Don't worry much about that. Okay, if you're going to start worrying, I'm not getting how to do it, that way if you're going to panicking, everything you will forget. Okay, just relax and do it. Clear? Okay, who is raise the hands? Yes, correct. Okay, fine. Now we are going to the next unit. When the time permits, I'll do it for median, continuous, and standard deviation continuous. Okay, yeah. Now I already shared with you the notes, means questions. Okay, yeah. Now this is also more easy for you, and see. By tomorrow, we will send you the PDF for few questions for your theory part and answer. Answer okay. We will share with you. Just read and learn that one. Okay. By tomorrow, I will send it in the class group. Clear? Theory part. Now see here, unit 4. We are discussing unit 4. Unit 4, I cannot discuss much with you because unit 4 is one is probability, right? Yeah. Probability and random variable. Okay, probability, if I start now, it never end, because more than 5 to 6 lectures we took it and to complete it, and the classes and your teachers also already completed that questions. Okay, now if you want, you can, if you want a revision, you can go to the YouTube link and to watch the same lectures, because we have already completed the probability in very detail. Okay, now I'll tell you unit 4 first. I'm just suggesting you for the revision, please learn this. Define, not define, better to write explain. Okay, explain with example. See, it is there in my notes. Sample space, what is the meaning? Examples are there, even what is the meaning. Still, we will send you. Okay, so prepare for theory question. 3 marks question will come. Got it? Yes, can I continue now? Yes, okay. Now we will do this question. Okay, this is random variable, because that unit 4 there is 2 divisions, like one is probability. Lots of questions, because that questions are, I can just show you the questions pattern. Just wait 1 second. Yeah, this kind of questions, right? A coin is tossed, then probability of getting. 2 coins are tossed, then what is the chance of getting both head, both tail? Okay, a card sum, and die, because you and you are playing Ludo, that dies sum, like that way. There were this kind of questions. It is almost 11 to 11 means almost 33-40 questions we discussed with you. Please revise it. That is very easy. There is no need of much practicing. That is just a logic which you are, once if you understand that one, automatically you will get the answer. Okay, therefore practice that question, because I'm not including that question in the revision chapter, because it is not possible. Once if you discuss that, it never ends. Okay, yeah, therefore I'm discussing another question for you, unit 4. This is one important thing for your examination for random variable. One question at least I'll discuss with you. Okay, now see here also there is distribution. What is this distribution? X is there and probability is there. This is called as probability. Okay, probability of X. Okay, that can be write in like this way. That means here probability of X. 1 second. Probability of. Therefore, informations are in the question like X values. X is a random variable. Okay, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3. It can be minus 1, 2, 3, whatever it is there. And P of X probability values. Here 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.2, 0 0.1. Okay, and this values. Now, what are the questions? Just read the question properly. You have 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. Find what is the probability of X less than or equal to 3. Therefore, I'll discuss with you this question first. Okay. Now see, for doing these 2 questions, you need a table that I'll teach you after that. But for the first question, they can ask you, now see, This particular example, I included the question that what is the probability of x less than or equal to 3? Examination, they can ask you probability of x less than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 3, like that way. But pattern is same. Now, please listen carefully. What is the answer? It's very easy, the answer. We already discussed these questions in the class. See here, what is the probability of 0? 0.3. What is the probability of 1? 0.4. What is the probability of 2? 0.2. What is the probability of 3? 0.1. 0, 0.3. That way the probability is given. Now we need to think about that. X less than or equal to 3. X less than or equal to 3 matlab 3 ke behind the numbers, the less numbers from 3 means x less than or equal to 3. For now, see here, what are the numbers is given less than 3? 2a, 0a, 1a. That means here, how do you write the answer? That first you see which are the numbers are less than 3. Therefore, you are going to write here, this is equal to probability of x equal to 0 to aega, 1 aega, 2 aega, and 3 is also going to come because it is less than or equal to. Clear? Suppose, for example, x less than or equal to 2a. Then what is that? P of x equal to 0, 1, and 2. Got it? Suppose P is x less than 2. Any question can come for the exam, right? Less than 2 means what? Probability of P means probability. X equal to 0 aega, 1, not 2, because there is no equal to. Okay, therefore inside the table, which are the numbers came, and below that number you will write. Understood? Now what is going to be there? I'm just rubbing this part. If you are written, okay, this is for just explain to you. Now how to proceed it? This is very easy. You first decide which are the numbers are less than 3. You are written that detail. Now by the addition theorem, we are going to write separately. P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3. There are 4 values. What is P of x is equal to 0 from the table? 0.3 plus P of x is equal to 1, 0.4 plus P of x is equal to 2, 0.2 plus P of x is equal to 3, 0.1. Add all these values and write the answer. Yes. All questions write it in the notebook. That is going to be, it's a revision for you, right? 1, correct. You are adding all the numbers, you are getting 1. Understood? How to calculate? Just observe the table and write addition. Abhi less than or equal to 2, you can calculate. Correct? 0.9 aega. Because 0.1 to nahi hai. Okay. This is the way from this type of questions you will get. Therefore, one question is always for the A part is that find the probability of x less than or equal to or greater than. Suppose the question is greater than x greater than or equal to 2 means greater than bigger value, more than 2. More than 2 matlab either 2 bhi aayega, 3 bhi aayega. That means P of x equal to 2, comma and 3. Then you calculate. Okay. So this is the explanation. Therefore, complete it. Then we'll go for question number B and C. Yes. Finish. Yes. YouTube 1. Everybody getting 1. Okay, fine. Now what are the questions? See here. Now I'm taking. Now I told you B and C we are going to do with table. That is the best option, easy option for you. Okay. See here. What are the things you want to find? Expected value of x and variance of x. There are 2 things. Okay. Now see here. You want to find E of x. This is a question. That is your B. Expected value is written by E of x. And C, variance of x is written by V of x. Therefore, one is E of x and one is V of x. Clear? Therefore, these are the 2 questions. For these 2 questions, use the table. What is going to be in the table? First is your x. Your table consists of 5 columns. How it is standard deviation? Same way, standard deviation f के जगह पे इधर p आएगा. That is the difference. Therefore, you can remember easily. Unit number 4, unit number 3 standard deviation, 5 column, x, f, x square, fx, fx square. Same way here, what will come? X, p, x square, p small letter, okay? P into x and x into p. Normally, p into x nahi likhte, x into p likhte. It's okay, fine. Both if you are right. X into p and x square into p. Therefore, all of you consider these columns. Consider this table first. I'll wait. I think I have to take tomorrow also. Then only first. Ajo, Max no. Max the starting part to teach करने पड़ेगा. Hence, SIP questions होगा. नहीं, अभी देखो कल का वीडियो व्यूअर्स आर 575. कल का वीडियो मीन्स बाद में देख रहे हैं. चलो ये लाइव चैट में है 42. व्यूअर्स आर डिफरेंट. Those are not responding, no? Just sitting and watching. Okay. It will increase now. I'll show you. The other one I'm also looking at least. Yes. Sorry, I was talking to you. Yeah, come on. Written. Now see, first two column is there already. X and P. Just continue. That is 0, 1. Here it will come like 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there? No. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3. 4, 3. And what is P? That is probability 0 0.3, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.2, and 0 0.1. बस ज़्यादा बहुत स्मेल आता है. अच्छा. 0. 0.3, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1. Okay, completed. Now just completed here. This also put it line. Okay. Now x square. X square same way we did it for this thing. Okay, done. Okay, come on. X square 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, and 3 square 9. Completed. Yes, correct. Continue. Now x into p. X into p means these two values, that is x is here, p you multiply, x and p multiply. That means xp here, that is x multiplied with p, right? Therefore, that is 0 into 0 0.3, that is equal to 0. 1 into 0 0.4, 0 0.4. 2 into 0 0.2, again 0 0.4. 3 into 0 0.3, it is going to come 0 0.3. Multiply with your calculator. Yeah. Yes, correct answer. 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.4, 0 0.3. Yes, those who are here, yes, doing it. Okay. Now last column. See, x square p. See, x square into p. Okay. Therefore, what is going to come here? Again 0. 0 into 0 0.3. Please, please. Many times I'll see in the answer paper 0 into 0 0.3. They will write 0 0.3. Then what happened? Addition is wrong. Remaining everything is right. Formula, this everything. But if you make here the mistake, that small mistake, you know, you'll make it entire question wrong. Then after that, you will tell the teacher ne marks maybe. Okay. Now 0, 0, because we have 0 0.0, 0 0.3. No 0. That's why I put it big 0. 0 0.4, 1 into 0. No. What is that? X square into p. Yeah, correct. 0 0.4, 4 into 0 0.2, 0 0.8, and 0 0.9. Clear? Yes. Now here, just calculate last two columns. We don't want any other column. Okay, means standard deviation 3 column, addition did it. F column also, we don't want that. Here, find sigma. Okay, where is my one line gone? Fine. Okay. Sigma xp, find out. Sigma x square p, find out. Two column, last two column. Okay. Now, what is sigma xp column? XP column is 1.1. 8, yes, right, 1.1. This column, sigma x square p. Calculate. 2.1, correct. 2.1. Okay. Now our question B and C. What is question B? Write down. Question B. Okay. Expected value of x. Now please listen very carefully. Expected value of x is same as mean. That means examination, they can ask you to find the mean of x for the same probability, mean and variance. Okay, this is the formula. It is sigma xp. What is the formula? Sigma xp. See, you have the ready-made answer with your table. What is that? Sigma xp. Where is the answer? Sigma xp is equal to 1.1. Directly write. There is no calculation required. Answer is ready. Yes. Therefore, what is the first answer? B. B answer is 1.1. Clear? Okay. Now, for second part, variance, you want to do small calculation to variance of x. That is V of x equal to the formula. I'm writing the formula for you. That is also easy. Just see formula. It is sigma. No, wait. Write like this way. E of x square minus square bracket, and then write E of x square bracket close karo square. Therefore, this is the formula for V of x. V of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. Write and learn the formula. Okay. Expected value of x, sigma xp. Variance of x, E of x square minus E of x the whole square. What is the difference which is coming here? Okay, just see. This is also easy only for you. This is equal to, see here, I'm writing again V of x here. V of x equal to E of x square. E of x is sigma xp. Therefore, automatically E of x square equal to sigma x square p. Next line mein, this E of x value you are writing, E of x formula you are writing as E of x square p and minus bracket E of x the whole square. Therefore, first you wrote this formula, then again you substituted for E of x the square. Now you can substitute the value. See the second column, last column of the table, that is E of sigma x square p. What is the value? 2.1 minus square bracket. क्यों मैं square bracket बोल रहे? Inside symbol bracket है. So E of x value, what is E of x value? 1.1 the whole square. Okay, therefore this is equal to 2.1 minus square bracket we have to solve first. 1.1 into 1.1, calculate. Square 1.21. Correct. Now for last answer. Yes, 1.21. 2.1 minus 1.21. 0.81. So please practice this question also. This probability chapter. Finish? All of you? Before, I told you that you remember that how many columns to prepare and what is the heading of the columns. Okay. Mean है तो 3 column. What are the things? Median है तो this much column. Mode है तो there is no column required there. Correct? This is the way to remember for the examination while studying. Okay. Fine. Can I go to the next part? Therefore, unit number 4, we discussed, I just solved for you only one question. Okay. And I told you what are the theory part can be expected question. Just prepare yourself. Remaining questions for the unit number 4 is related to probability part that you have to practice yourself. If you want to watch a video, it is already there and your teachers are already completed that one. It is very easy. It's a simple thing. I'll tell you, coin sum, the card, the die, then some balloons you are picking up from a box, token you are taking from that. That's all. You will practice that questions. Okay. And you will get one question from that part also. One or two questions. Clear? This is random variable part. Yes, therefore unit 4, this much only I'm revising it. Now I'm going for unit 5. Okay, at least we have to complete today unit 5. Then max, I think I thought 2 days, but it is not moving. I'll take it tomorrow also, then we'll finish it off. Okay. Can I move further? Unit number 5. Okay. Questions I discussed with you today. Unit number 5 also will discuss. It is going to be a good practice for you. Unit number 5, please listen. That is the most easiest unit among all these units. Okay. Now today I'm going to discuss few questions. Apart from what you want to do it, I'll just tell you for the time. Now here the question. Please listen, all of you. You want to construct decision tree. Decision tree. Okay, this is 6 marks question. Decision tree is a 6 marks question. Clear? All of you ready? Can we start? Okay. Now decision tree, what you want to do it? Check the question first. Okay. This is a question. Take a screenshot. Something. But these questions I already shared with you. Therefore, don't worry. It is there in your PDF. Only E and F division, I'll tell Prajita madam to send to you. Okay. Remaining classes I have done. Now see here. First see, if you want to make the decision tree, please check it that course of action. This is your course of action, right? A1 and A2. That means two things, course of action and state of nature. Now check it in the this one question. How many course of action here? In this question, there are 2 course of action, right? And how many state of nature? S1, S2, S3. Okay. Now for your tree, main branch of the tree is this one, correct? A1, A2. These are the small branches, S1, S2, S3. S1. Therefore, check your question. Decide that how many main branches there and how many small branches are there. Clear? Therefore, in this question, there are 2 course of action and 3 states of nature. This is A1, A2 are the course of action and which states of nature. Clear? Now, what you are going to do first, please listen. If you draw, this is not in the graph, answer sheet. If you draw and calculate properly, you will get direct 6 marks. There is no chance that make a mistake. Therefore, please be very carefully and just practice it. And one question is more than enough for you to practice. Okay. Therefore, now I just went through the question. I have seen that there is 2 course of action. That is my A1 and A2. Please listen. You use scale. For me, it is not possible here. Therefore, mine it is not going to be a straight line, but for your case you have to draw as a straight line. Okay. Now first what you are going to do, just make a small box that is in the middle of that paper. If you do it, that is a better option. Okay, you need space. Small box. This is called as decision box. Rectangle with a small box. Okay. From this small box, you have 2 main branches, that is A1 and A2. Therefore, from here, this corner, and draw a straight line. If I'll use this one, but it won't be okay. 1, and here another one from here, like this one. Okay, 2 lines. Now the end of the line, just make a circle, small circle. And please carefully listen, this to be joined. Okay. not branch and circle is somewhere like that way. Okay, but this should to both will come to same line. Okay, now here what you are going to write, you are going to write A1 and you are going to write A2. You can write here also, circle ke insert also we can write. After that, now see A1 likha, A2 likha. How many states of nature are there? 3. That means 3 lines you want to construct from here, from starting from the circle. How do you construct? This way 1, middle way 1, and here down way 1. थोड़ा space तो होना चाहिए because we need to write. Okay, and here again 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but here see this entire thing comes to the same straight line. Okay, see here I have done, it's not with scale. Okay, please do it with the scale, all of you. Yeah, Jayesh, I'll send it. I think see I have sent it. I think I'll check it, Jayesh. Okay. Now after finishing this, what you are going to do, this is what we have written. This is our S1, right? S1, S2, S3. Here S1, S2, S3. Okay. After finishing this S1, S2, S3, what you are going to do? See the question. Now see the question. A1. What is the S1 value? Here you have X1 value. What is X1 value? 125, right? Therefore, write 125 here. And S2 value 135 and 240. Got it? A1 values. See here A1 values. और रो चेक करो. Row A1 के आगे 3 values है ना? S1, S2, S3. Just write like this way. Now in the same thing, the question probability is given. Probability value, that means 0.1, 0.5 and 0.4. Therefore here what you are going to do, you are going to put a small bracket and write 0.1. Here small put a bracket 0.5. मैंने 0.1 क्यों लिखा? S1 का probability है वो, S2 probability है, S3 probability है. Okay, last year what is the probability? 0.4. From where I wrote this information? From the question. Clear? That is A1 information I have completed. Values, payoff values, and 0.1, 0.5, 0.4 as my probability values. Same thing you will repeat for A2. Now for A2 case, what is going to happen? See, what is A2 here? A2 values are, see this one, this line, 150, 120, 100. Therefore, automatically here X1 के साथ 150 आएगा. Then what is the next value? 120 and 100. Now you want to repeat the probabilities the same, 0.1, 0.5 and 0.4. Clear the steps? 2 A1, A2 main circle ending. Circle से 3 line S1, S2, S3. Here also 3 line S1, S2, S3. Yes. Now what to do last? Okay. Last part. How to do it? Now see here. Take the calculator, all of you. The calculator. See here. 125 into 0.1. Multiply. 125 के साथ 0.1 multiply करो. That is 12.5. Right here the answer. Okay. Next 135 into 0.5. 67.5. Okay. Next, take your calculator. 240 into 0.4. What's the answer? It is 96. Check it, all of you. All are getting the answers. 15 कैसा है? You know? कौन सा 50? अच्छा, you went up to अच्छा. You people are gone ahead. Okay, fine. Now next here. 15. Okay. Here, what is that? 120 into 0.5. that is 60 here, and 100, that is equal to 40. Completed multiplication? Yes, 15, 60, 40. Correct. Okay. Now what you're going to do it? See, add these values. Add karo. Ye तीनों value add karo, and here also add it. Add that values. 176, 10. 176 you are getting, okay. 176, fine. What is next? Here, this is 5 and 115, right? Yes. Okay. Therefore, this is your tree. Everything you have completed except one thing. What you are going to do it now? See here, 176 and 115. Which is the maximum value? This is the maximum. Write it here. Okay. Correct. Now, last sentence and the class when I taught you, I always use the same sentence to repeat same thing. We need to find which is the best action. That means which is a course of action is a good one. That is A1 or A2. How to write? See here, we are going to use the EMV criteria, because EMV criteria maximum value you are going to calculate, right? Maximum profit. Therefore, you can write here from Farin, please. Your line it's creating, I think by mistake. Just okay. From, because I don't have space here, therefore I'm writing here. Can I write somewhere on top? Is it okay for you? Yeah, I'll write here. Okay, just wait. What to write? Just write last sentence after this one. From the figure, by using EMV criteria, you can criteria maximum EMV equal to 176, right? You are getting 176. Yes. Yes. Therefore, last sentence. Therefore, by EMV criteria, the best course of action is to select, see here, 176. Which course of action for you? A1. Therefore, to select A1 and underline that. Therefore, your tree is finished. 6 marks question. मैम ए फरीन ने कॉलेज फिर बी लेक्चर अटेंड कर ओके ओके फिर भी लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे ओके okay. Completed. All of you, decision tree. Now I think if any question comes to you for the decision tree, you are able to do it, right? Rohan and all is standing outside and looking at, I don't know, outside the college, I think. Completed. Now see, here A1, A2 is a course of action. Okay. Suppose there are 3 course of action. If I'll just show you that 3 hetu. Now see here, suppose here, that means your decision tree starting from like this way. One line A1, middle line A2, and third line here A3. Then same thing repeating here, here. Then from here it will goes like that. Okay. Therefore, this is 3. In our question it was 2. That's why it is 2 line. I have done the question for in the class for 3 also. You can refer it. Okay. But decision tree is a question. It's a very good question. You can get it the full marks without making any mistake. And draw neatly. Don't draw your own tree, okay? That I told you in the class. You people are making your own branches are not touching with the circle, and your own circle is not there. It is a rectangle, some oval shape. Don't do that, okay? So I will do it on Monday, tomorrow, Saturday, because it is not going to finish, okay? Yes, finish. Now, can we go? The decision tree is finished. Now I'll do it for you. First EMV criteria directly, then we will do. See, write this question, all of you. Yeah, I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. Wait. EMV kadam karo. Fast. Please do write the question fast. Otherwise, screenshot le lo. Okay. Yes. Next question. Please listen. What is this one? This is no tree, no picture. They are asking you to find the optimal decision by EMV criteria. Which criteria? EMV criteria. Therefore, without tree, by using EMV criteria. With tree, I showed you how to do it, EMV criteria. Now, without tree, how to do EMV criteria. See here. First, check it how many course of action, that is 3 course of action, A1, A2, A3. And how many states of nature? 3 states of nature, S1, S2, S3. And probability is like this. देखो normally question में probability नीचे आएगा, x1, s2, s3 ऊपर आएगा. But when you are going to construct the table, only just make a table. But table में ऐसा है, means a1, a2, a3 same right side में, and here make it 2, like s1 इधर लिखो, s2 इधर लिखो, s3 because question में s1, s2, s3. s1, s2, s3 के नीचे write the probability because 0.2 है, 0.1 है, 0.7 है. A information, EMV criteria, if you are going to do, make the column like this way, it is going to be easy for you to construct it. Okay, that means A1, A2, A3, S1, S2, S3, उसके नीचे probability लिखो. क्वेश्चन में वो probability का रो एकदम डाउन आएगा, but make it up. Now remaining values write as it is, means check the question and write the values, that is here 250, 150, 500. Okay, here 400, 500, 200, and here 550, 230, 120. All of you complete this much and make a bigger column, and here write EMV. Do it fast because 12:30 I think YouTube time will finish. Yes, Samriddhi, I can see your number. Yes, C division, Yash, I'll send it. Question, I'll send it. Okay, wait. I think I already sent it. That's what I'm just thinking. Anyhow, I'll check it after this. Okay. Finish. Now, please listen, all of you. Now, I'll just make normally here also one line. This is a line here. Here there is a line. Okay. Now, this is without decision theory. How to? The question is only to find the optimal solution by using EMV criteria. You have to make the column and do it. Okay. Therefore, here how to do it? See. What you are going to do? A1 ka aage, EMV of A1, EMV of A2, EMV of A3 you are calculating. Okay. What you are going to do? See here, 250 multiplied with this probability. If I'm writing here, 250 into 0.2 plus 150 into 0.1 plus 500 into 0.7. A numbers probability se multiply karo. Same thing only we did it for the tree also, but separated. Okay. Here, what is going to come? 400 into 0.2 plus 500 into 0.1 plus 200 into 0.7. Okay. Last 550 into 0.2 plus 230 into 0.1 plus 120 into 0.7. Okay. Now, please listen carefully. Or normally the students make the mistake while doing with the calculator. See here, you have to multiply separately. ये separate तीन multiplication है ना, separate multiply करो, answers लिखो, then only add. Therefore, see here, 250 into 0.2, 50, right? That is 50 you write. Okay. 150 into 0.1, that is 15. Okay. Next one is what? 500 into 0.7. That is, one second. No, it is 12:30 finished. Mostly finished. I'll come after that. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. What is your answer? Where we reached? Yes. Here, this is going to come 350. Add together 5. This is 2. That is 4. Are you getting 4? 5, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 450. 415 is the right answer. Separately multiply. Means 250 into 0.2 multiply. Don't do it together. Means 250 press किया multiplication 0.2 again plus करेगा तो wrong answer आएगा, because ये board mass rule है. Second one, multiply these two, right answer, multiply these two and multiply these two, and then tell me adding and tell me the answer. First one is 450, 4. Second one is 270. How many of them are getting 270? First one is 450. Next one is 270. Okay. 270. Yes. Vaishnavi also getting 217. 217 or 270? Achha, 270. Okay. A2 270. Okay. What is A3? 217. That is 217. I'm writing your answers. Okay. Just check it. This is answers are right or not? 270 and 270. Okay. Yes. Completed? Okay. Now see, you prepared the table. In that table, first information, ended table is actually the question. एक ही table हम लोग ने extra बनाया EMV. But only the thing, probability का values down है ना, write it up. Then it is easy for you to multiply. That's only the thing. Okay. Now after this, what you're going to do? See here, EMV. EMV is expected monetary value. That means always we need to make it as maximum. Here, which is maximum? 415, 270, 217. Which is maximum? Maximum is 415. Which course of action? A1. Okay. Therefore, write down here maximum EMV equal to 415 for course of action A1. Therefore, last sentence. Therefore, to select, no, how we were normally write? By, I don't have space here, by EMV criterion to select best course of action is A1 underline. That is your answer. Finish. Finish. Yes. Okay. Now this is finished. Okay. Now I'll show you some theory questions. You will prepare yourself, and I'll try to send you for the PDF for ma'am. EMV criteria to choose the best course of action is A1. Correct. Choose the best course of action is A1. This was our standard line actually. Yeah. Okay. You people are got by hearted now. See, now prepare yourself for this term. Explain these terms with a short note. These three, just prepare yourself. I'll send you the because my notes, I already sent you PDF for my notes. It is already there, but still I'll just make it everything together and I'll send you. Okay. Can I go back to now Laplace and all? Just revise it, then entire unit 5 can be revised. Except EOL, I'm revising everything. Okay. Finish this. Okay. Now, same question only, same. I have done with the same question. Okay. Same thing. Just see. Can you see the question now? We will do 3 questions, 4 questions fast. Huh? Then we'll finish. 15 minutes, 4 questions are there. Okay. Now do one thing, just sit and watch. Otherwise, see, you write this table first, all of you. Okay. Now please listen here. See, examination 6 marks question normally comes like this way. There are 4 categories. One is Maximax criteria. What is that? Maximax. 1 second. I'll show you the question for you. Just wait. See, which I shared with you the question. See here. See. Listen. The table is given. See here. Question number 2. Can you see this question number 2? Here there are 4 questions actually. All questions like 4 never comes together. But एक 4 में कोई भी combination आ सकता है. 3 marks question है. 3, 3, 3, 3. That means any combination will give you 6 marks. Table तो same रहेगा. Understood? Table is going to be same, but there are different criteria. Okay. Now this same question I am discussing with you, same criteria. Please listen fast. Okay. This is very easy for you. I'll just now please listen. Okay. First one, 3 marks question. Okay. What is that? See, table is there. What is the table? A1, A2, A3 this side, and S1, S2, S3 this side. Now they ask you to do it by Maximax criteria. See here, Maximax. There are 2 words. Maximum of maximum. Normally I'll write 1 and 2. First word maximum, second word also maximum. Understood? Question में Maximax criteria है. मैंने ऐसे segregate किया. Maximum of maximum है. उसका short form है वो. That means maximum first word, maximum again second word. Now in second word, which word is coming? Maximum or minimum? Do one thing, answer column में एक extra column बनाओ. What is that extra column? Maximum. मैंने maximum क्यों लिया? Because my question is Maximax. Second word is maximum, then I wrote maximum. Now what I'm going to do it, please listen. See, nothing I'm going to do it. Here very easy. Here it's maximum here. This is here. I'll write maximum. 1 second. 1 second, I'll do it properly. Wait, I'll just make one extra column to the question. What is that extra column? Extra column is maximum. Okay. Now see here, A1. There are 3 lines. A1, A2, A3. It is quite small. Yeah, I cannot make it bigger because it is an image actually. A1, A2, A3. Now see, A1 के आगे numbers देखो, 35, 100, 38. कौन सा value maximum है इधर? That is nothing but that is 100 is maximum value. मैंने 100 लिखा. अभी second line में A2, 58, 95, 105. कौन सा value maximum है? 105. Correct? 45, 30, 91. Which value is maximum? 91. Clear? Understood? What is the step number 1? स्टेप नंबर 1 में you make an extra column as maximum. Reason क्या है? My question is Maximax. Second word is maximum. That's why I created a column like that. Now I have written A1 values में maximum कौन सा value है, A2 values में कौन सा value है, A3. Finish. My column finish. Now last step. What is my last step? Okay. Now I'm going to write that my question. What is my question? My question is Maximax, right? I'm writing here. Just wait. Okay. I'm writing Maximax, meaning maximum bracket में again maximum. दो word, right? Maximum. That is equal to, here I'm writing maximum. Now see this bracket. Bracket के अंदर क्या है? Maximum है. This bracket is nothing but my answer में ये column है. और column पूरा maximum value से. That means I'm going to write here. This is 100, 105, 91. Understood? Second column, second bracket, I'm taken from the columns. That is 100, 101, 91. Clear? Therefore, for you to remembering it is easy. That is equal to, now see, maximum of these values 100, 105, 91. कौन सा value maximum है? 105. Right? 105 for coefficient. कौन सा coefficient है? Second line में आ रहा है. Second line में कौन सा coefficient है? A2 है. If I'm writing A2, 1054 coefficient A2. Finish. Answer is ready. That means, therefore, what I'll write? By Maximax criteria. But you should write this sentence, okay? Criterion to select best course of action is A2, underline 3 marks. Therefore, follow the same sentence. अभी A Maximax criteria है. Yes. Yes. Why? Because we were used to all A division, B division, G division and all. You will see also I taught. Same sentence we continue. We never change the sentence because for us it's by heart. By Maximax criteria to select best course of action is A2. Yes. The answer is right. Pratham. Yes. Got it? Now Maximax criteria I told you. Now what is that? Next, maximum equal to maximum of maximum. Correct? Can I move to the next? Yes. First question. Now see here. Now you got an idea how we are doing it. Okay. Minimin, minimum of minimum, right? Therefore, which is the first word? A first word is second word. The second word क्या आ रहा है? Minimum. Therefore, what to do? Your question, same question है. Your question, I'm making extra column. Answer sheet में मैंने question का column बनाया पहले. उसके साथ एक extra column. What is that extra column for me? Minimum. Okay. What is this minimum? Here, minimum. I'm just hurrying it because it is going to end by 5 minutes. Minimum. Okay. Now we are going to check it minimum. 3538. Minimum कौन सा value है? 35. Here which value है? 58, 95, 105. That is 58. Correct? 45, 30, 91. Which value? 30. Minimum column finish. Okay. Yes, 30. Now what you are going to do it? We are going to write Minimin criteria means minimum of minimum. That means minimum bracket. What is this bracket? Bracket is our last column. What is that last column? 35, 58, 30. Okay. 35, 58, 30. That is equal to. Now minimum. ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर नंबर्स है ना, उसका मिनिमम कौन सा वैल्यू है? 30 है. करेक्ट? वो 30 कौन सा लाइन में आ रहा है? थर्ड लाइन में आ रहा है. थर्ड लाइन में कोसोफैक्शन कौन सा है? A3. Therefore we'll write 4 cosofaction A3. Got it? 34 cosofaction A3. Then last sentence. Therefore, by Minimin criterion to select best course of action is A3 underline. 3 marks question. Therefore, these two combined will give you 6 marks. Okay. Yes. Now see, some classes without column they're writing as a sentence. It's okay, fine. That is okay. I just told you like column wise because it is more easy. That's what we thought. Okay, that's it. Finish. Okay. Can I move next? Yes. Now Maximin criteria. Okay. डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं होता है. डायरेक्ट आंसर कैसे होता है? Means at least so you have to write minimum of A1, minimum of A2, minimum of A3, then this thing. But you have to show it. Okay. Now Maximin, Maximin. What are the word? Maximum of क्या है? Minimum. Right? Here, which is the first word? Maximum. What is the second word? Minimum. Therefore, extra column कौन सा column बनाओ हम लोग? Minimum का column. Correct? Minimum. Because same question, that's why I'm just doing fast. Okay? Minimum. Now again, this you know already done. Minimin में हम लोग ने किया है. Therefore, here what is the values here? This is 35 आएगा. Here 58 आएगा. This is same column 30. Okay? 35, 58, 30. But क्या difference किधर आएगा? See, maximum of minimum. Okay, therefore I'm writing maximum. मेरा bracket मतलब क्या है? Last column है. That is 35, 58, 30. Now here this maximum of the bracket. Bracket के अंदर कितना numbers है? 3 numbers है. उसका maximum value कौन सा value है? Which value? 58, right? 58. 58 is in question. Where the 58 comes? 58 for the second line. A2, right? Therefore, maximum value is 58 for course of action A2. A2 कैसा आया? देखो 58 देखो 58 किधर है? Second line में course of action A2 है. Then last sentence, therefore, by Maximin criterion to select best course of action is A2 underline. Again 3 marks. Yes. A division, it is fast answer is coming. A, B, 58, 30, A2, yes, YouTube also it is there. Yes, right. To choose, to select any line but you should write that sentence. Okay, you can't write the answer is 58, you can't write the answer is 32. Entire chapter, entire unit, answer is not the number, answer is course of action A1, A2, A3. कौन सा action best है, कौन सा action optimum है. Okay, therefore always you have to write the conclusion that this is a sentence. Now this unit I'm teaching you Laplace also. I think then it will wind up, I think. Okay, finish. I know I little bit hurry kiya because 2 days, it is going to be 3 days. Max, you need revision. Max, you need, or otherwise you will do it yourself. Is it helpful for you, this revision part? Yes. Helpful? Oh, so their main cocktails. They have time. Okay. If you are ready, somebody wants a evening. I'll see Saturday evening or something extra. Max revision. Okay. Now this let me complete. That means you need. Okay, fine. No, if it is really helpful for you, then only. Otherwise, I don't want to waste your time. Ma'am, all formulas. Formulas, I'm really scared. I'll see formulas if I can do it something for you. Okay. Now Laplace criteria. Okay. Ma'am, please do max revision. Okay. Max, I don't know how much I can do it, but still I'll help you for some of the things. Okay. Saturday 6 o'clock, not 11 o'clock. Today evening, actually, I'm busy. I don't know because I don't know what time I'll reach home. Okay. Evening late is okay. 8 o'clock or something. I'll let you know. Question paper pattern. Watch first. Now I'm not going to repeat it. Yesterday's first part I discussed with you. Okay. Fine. Now I'll discuss you the timing. After that, we will complete Laplace also. I don't know. YouTube, it is not closed now. We will see. Last is see. Please listen. A category में 3 मैंने सिखाया आप लोगों को. Okay. Same way you can't do that. Laplace because Maximin, Minimin, what is that next? Maximin. Okay. Minimin, Maximax. That means two words. Either word नहीं है. Laplace. Okay. Now remember what you are going to do. You make 2 columns. 2 word nahi hai, that's why we are making 2 columns. This is switch. What are the 2 columns? Who can give me the answer? 2 column, last 2 columns. My experts are there. What is Laplace last 2 column? Yes, correct, right? उसका पहले क्या है? और एक column मैंने बताया. Okay. You will write last column as total and then average. Okay. Here there is no space for me. Now you people help me for adding. Okay. Just I'm making it bigger line. Let's just see. This is my first. This is my second. This is my third. And what you're going to do it? Don't make it like this way column. Okay. Because here I can't make it zoom kind of because it is already image. That's all. Can't do it. See here. A1 values. A1 values क्या है? 35, 100, 38 है. Add करो. Add करो. 35 plus 100 plus 38 add करो. 35 plus 100 plus 38. Yes, what's the answer? 173. Right? Yes, 173. Okay. A2 add it. A2 add karo. Unit 4 chapter name, ma'am. Unit 4 chapter name kya hai? Probability distribution. But A2 values I didn't add it. Tell me. You are giving me 258. कौन सा है 258? Correct है 258. 105, 95. 258 तक आएगा वो. 258. Yeah, yes. 95 plus 5, 200. 58. Next one. A2. Okay. What is A3? 45 plus 30 plus 91. Correct? 166. Okay. 166. That means you are adding. That is your total. See here. S1, S2, S3. 3 numbers you added. Now you are finding the average means this one. This is what? 173. Now average में क्या आएगा? 173 divided by 3. 3 कैसा है? 3 numbers. Don't tell me because exam में question में S1, S2, S3, S4 है तो 4 से divide करो. Here it is 3. Don't tell that revision में madam ने 3 divide किया. Average है. How many numbers you added? Same number of numbers you are going to divide it. Okay. That is. Tell me. Now here what will come? 57.67. 57.67. Okay. Next one. First one is 57.61. Okay, good. Next is 86. 2, what is that answer here? 258 divided by 3. It will come 86, right? 86. Next is 166 divided by 3. Answer. I'll just wind up few. Yeah, just. Yes, answer is there for you. 55.33. That means you can write here 55.33. That means we have already completed the columns, right? The extra 2 columns for Laplace criteria. That means one is total and one is average. Completed? Yes. Okay. Now listen. What is Laplace criteria? The formula, that is maximum of, because we are making it as profit maximum, right? Maximum of average. Okay, you have to remember that. Apart from all last 3 criteria, here Laplace criteria is maximum of average. That means maximum outside bracket ke andar write all averages. 57.67, 86, 55.33. This is okay. Now maximum value here inside the bracket there are 3 values. Here which value is maximum? That means here we know that there is 86 is maximum. That means 86. Now check it. 86 in which line? That is in second line. Second line, what is the course of action? A2. That means 4 course of action A2. Therefore, by Laplace criteria, the standards is to choose best course of action is A2 complete. Understood? Therefore, I think YouTube it is cancelled. I think finish. No, it is going on. Okay. Completed? Yes. Now, only this revision class for unit number 5. I'm not done with EOL and Minimax regret criteria. Okay. All of you go to the notebook and practice. Just revise it this part, that is which part? EOL and Minimax regret criteria. This is the only thing which is left out in that part. And this is the easiest unit number 5. You know, now when we discussed unit number 3, unit number 4, unit number 5, unit number 3, we discussed more than 7 questions. Okay, just practice it along with median and what I told you, standard deviation, continuous data. That you can do it. That is not an issue. And probability, random variable question practice karo. Oh, theory part also practice it. Remaining thing is probability. Probability just at least to read once. Okay. My notes are there and the video lecture is also available. You can watch. Once if you watch, you are able to do it, that probability part. Then unit number 5, please practice it. Draw decision diagram properly. Decision tree, 6 marks question. Remaining all 3 marks adding. And EMV also 4 marks question along with one theory part, 2 marks like that. Okay. That means statistics part maximum I have completed for the revision part. Just do it nicely, sit and practice it. Formulas wherever we used, write and learn. Okay. Then I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll schedule you the lecture. Max is really required. Then one is tomorrow 11 o'clock is one option. 11 o'clock it's okay. SIP question and also it is required. SIP and without load, without brokerage, I just because max means lots of explanation, but few questions I can discuss with you. Okay. And Miss lecture. Few questions, whatever I can do it, I'll do it for you, max. Okay. 6 p.m. 6, I don't know. And so if I'll be back because at home. Okay. Let me see. I have some other work. Okay, just practice it. This all. If any other doubts are there, you tell me, then I'll just clear with you later. Ma'am, less than cumulative frequency graph for median and quartile. I know that graph, but that quartile less than all portions, how to complete it? OG is also less than. When is your exam starting? Monday, right? No, Tuesday. Let me see. Tomorrow first Max will finish, then we'll decide. Okay. At least stats so thoda portion to ho gaya. No Max lene. Otherwise Max 24 marks are there. Okay. Yeah. There are some questions are there. Always they will ask that kind of questions. I'll discuss with you. Okay. LPP sum I'll just discuss with you. Then at least you can do that graph. Histogram OG I can just teach you. OG takes time. Wait. Okay, then see you. I have some other work. Okay, then see you. Bye bye. I believe this is going to be useful for you for that revision lecture. Okay, therefore just practice it. You are ready? Shake. Okay. Mostly omit only you people are doing. Okay, I'll see. Okay. Okay then, bye bye. When I sit and talk with you, it never ended now because I have some other lecture too. I'm going to go up for the college right now. Okay, then see you. Take care. Nicely study. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll let you know the timing. Mostly tomorrow 11 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Bye bye.